Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. Today I will discuss with you easiest way to get loans. In the previous video I have discussed many types of loan with you. Today I will be discussing with you personal loan and business loan. Personal loan is a type of loan which we do it to use for our own benefits. Like if I need to plan a wedding anniversary, or if I need to plan a new wedding in my life, or if I need to plan a holiday trip, I want to buy a car or anything, and I'm short of money. Let's say I have $5,000 in my pocket, but the product which I am applying for, or which I am looking forward to buy is $11,000. So that 11,000, $6,000 out of that 5,000, I will contact any bank or a private lending company to give me as a personal loan. That would be called as a personal loan. uh, Other example of the personal loan is I need let's say I need $25,000. That $25,000 will be used as my any need, personal need. I'll ask the bank to give me 25,000. Bank will charge a nominal percentage of their profit with my monthly installment. They will give me a minimum of 3 months and maximum of 5 years according to the current policy. I can It's my option that I can divide that loan into 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, whatever period of my convenience. That I will select the period according to my needs. Number one, then according to the my payback convenience. Now, what payback convenience is called? Payback convenience means that I am liable to the bank for 25,000 principal amount and the interest as well. So including that interest, my total amount of loan will be will be like 31 or $32,000. I will divide that amount in such a way that easily I can pay, like let's say I can pay $1,500 per month, or I can pay $500 per month. So I'll divide that amount into that convenience. That would be my loan repayment tenure. So when I'll decide that, after deciding that, I'll contact a bank or a lending company. They will take my documents, they will fill out my form, and they will process my application. Now after processing, they will also perform some various checks, like they will perform the data check from the central bank, that whether I am eligible for loan or not, whether my history of previous loan payments, if I have taken any home loan, any business loan, any type of loan I am using, they will check my record in that. Now, if somebody thinks that if he has taken loan from one bank and he has defaulted and he has not paid the bank loan back, he can take another new loan from another bank. No, that would not be possible, because these days all the data of the loans of the financial institutions is centralized. They uh, they collaborate with each other, and and just give me 1 minute. uh, they will divide that, uh, they will give me an option that my loan will be dispersed into, once my data check, my security check, my residential check, everything is completed. They will divide that, they will disperse that amount into my account. And once the amount is dispersed into my account, I'll be free to use that account. So I hope that you will be satisfied with my clarification. You will be you should have understand that how to process a loan, how to get the loan easily. uh, I hope that I have explained the method of the loan. Now these days, there are many banks, they are offering loan on different terms. It's your responsibility to check the either the website of the bank, or you can also call the different banks and contact their sales. They will definitely guide you about their product and their interest rate and options what they are offering. Like these days, due to Christmas holidays and due to end of the year, many banks are offering very lucrative type of offers to their customers. And due to competition as well, many banks are offering different, like if there are five banks in the market offering the same product, now they will try to match your needs with least interest and least uh, what we say that least requirements, that they can snatch the customer from the other bank. So all in all, every bank tries to get more customers for the loan, and every customer want to get easiest way to get the loan. It is your now option to check the market and get the best out of that. Thank you very much. Hope that you'll be satisfied with these information, and I'll be very soon come back. I'll come back with another video with another update on the loans and different type of products for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.